it's a personal finance app, and with it you can watch your money on your watch. So what it does is we use the Capital One Nessie Test API to. It's an Android app, and so it shows you your balance, and whenever your bank balance goes below a certain threshold, we've set to $25, it will send you a notification on the Pebble smartwatch saying this is your bank balance, and the nearest Capital One branch is X miles away. So we use the location services for that.
It's an Android app. You use the Android Development Studio?
Yeah, we use the Android Studio.
How did you divide your responsibilities?
I worked on the location services integration, and also a little bit of the Pebble integration, the Pebble kit for Android, and he did a lot of the logic and UI and design.
And how did you come up with the idea?
Well, we wanted to do something, we wanted to use the Pebble, and we also, we were kind of interested in the Nessie API, so we were just like, okay, well, it was the first thing we came up with, and we liked it. So.
And did you finish?
Yeah, it works.
It works? Okay.
Do you want a demo?
Yeah.
So one of the tough things about demoing is the Nessie API. It simulates the actual processing time of transactions and deposits.
Oh, I see.
So
you have to wait.
It takes between 60 seconds and around 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I do here is I simulate purchase through like a vendor, and so it'll update my account saying, okay, I spent this much money, and so I might have already told you, just like most people, they don't check their how much funds they have left like on a regular basis. But if you're running low on funds, you would want to know like immediately as fast as possible. So what this application does is it's constantly checking like every 5 seconds. Like if your balance is below 25, like I set the threshold to $25. You can set it whatever you want. If it goes to less than $25, then it'll send you like a push notification immediately saying you have a low balance, you have $12 left, and the nearest ATM is 0 miles away. Yeah. So this is for my last demo. Like it's still processing for the latest purchase I just made. I have to deposit and withdraw for every demo basically. But this is for my last demo, and it says the nearest ATM is 0 miles away. And over here, like Capital One in their Nessie API, they didn't put in ATM information, location data for Richmond, which is kind of funny, but they put it in for Washington, D.C. Yeah, it's really weird. But
they see their own data in there.
Yeah, it's really weird. But this draws from like the local, like where the location is right now for the device. So right now, technically there's nothing there, but yeah. But otherwise, like they give you a list of like 3 of the closest ones, and like you can click whichever one's closest to you.
And you can set the threshold 25
yeah.
or whatever.
So like right here, it's like it's like one line, like just like a change. So like you can change it like. This like if the balance is like less than 25, then it'll send an alert and saying that okay, I need to like I need to go to the ATM.
Okay, great, good work. Thanks a lot.
Go to click on this.